How to transfer to wallet on Kraken. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this episode I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can transfer to wallet on Kraken. So in order to transfer to wallet on Kraken, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. So then, to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and log in into your Kraken account, and from the home page itself you'll be able to find an option as withdraw. So go ahead and tap on the withdraw button. Next interface, you'll be asked to select the asset that you wish to withdraw or transfer, so go ahead and enter in the asset. Then once done confirming all of that or entering the information, click on the select the network type and scroll down a bit, and you have to go ahead and tap on withdraw whatever the asset you've selected. Next you have done with that procedure, then go ahead and enter in all of that information. And after you've done that, you need to confirm the withdrawal procedure. So for that, go ahead and review all of the information you've provided. If you're sure about it, then go ahead and tap on the withdraw button, and as soon as you've done that, you have successfully transferred or withdrawn to your Kraken account. So in this way you can transfer to wallet. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.